Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. In this session, I'm going to show you how we have to do the certification in Oracle Cloud technologies, either in financials or human capital management or in supply chain management. What type of questions they will be asking, like what is the format? Because recently Oracle has changed complete certification format, how to register and how the interviews will be, sorry, how the questions will be there. This is all we are going to discuss. So what you have to do is you have to go to mylearn.oracle.com. And once you go to the home page, then you need to log into the applications. You can register by entering your Gmail ID also. And then you don't need any separate Oracle access. Just enter the credentials. Once you enter the credentials, there is some free certification promotion related for OCI. It seems it's for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. If you want to just go through, you can go for it. Now we are talking about, let's say, financials part. Search for payables here. And we can find become a certified financials. There is a learning path, nothing but a course also is there, as well as the certification. Okay. If I go for certification and go down here and go to register now. This is what the certification code we have. And this is for payables 2023 implementation professional. And it will be conducted and online. It's protected online. It means the moment when we start writing the examination, so everything will be protected. And hands-on performance based. This is newly introduced. Earlier, it was not there. Earlier, we were having around 50 to 55 choice questions. We used to choose the option, either A or B or C or D, like that. But now Oracle has changed a little bit format, and they are going to provide you the instance, perform a particular scenario-based questions. It means Oracle wants to test the practically how the consultant is comfortable, hands-on performance-based. So here total duration will be 90 minutes, and number of questions not applicable means, as I said, earlier it was 50 to 55 questions, pass percentage around 60%, that's fine. It was fixed. But now the questions, multiple choice questions will be there, as well as the challenges. This is newly introduced challenges. It means it comes under hands-on performance based. For example, you are doing the accounts payable certification. They may give some scenario. For example, let's say I would like to configure the payments should be paid alone to the particular supplier site. How will you do that? So we'll provide the instance with sufficient roles and access. Then you need to log in and then go for configure that. We'll do it at supplier site level invoicing payment options, where we have to choose the payment attribute, pay alone checkbox, and then it will allow us to make the payment. Or I would like to configure the invoice installments in 3 installments, 75% first installment, it's on 5 days, then 15% 15 days, the remaining 10% we wanted to have the 20 days. That's the 3 levels of installments we would like to go for configure. How will you do that? It is like a payment term which we are going to create regularly. That will, before that, we have to verify which business unit is associated reference data set, and identify and attach this payment term to the corresponding reference data set. So whatever the performance we have done practically, based on that, system will identify. It means like The moment when we open that particular task and choose that particular checkbox options, internally system will verify artificial intelligence has been implemented by Oracle. It will identify the corresponding setup has been selected or not, and it will go for provide the scoring. So from the challenges expected is 75% and multiple choices expected is 75%. So from now onwards, it's not only the theoretical point of view, practically also they are expecting providing some scenarios and configuration to make sure that the consultant is very strong and technically, practically as well as theoretically also. So this will improve their implementation success rate in the world when the organizations are implementing, having consultants who are having good practical knowledge point of view. So if somebody is trying to do this certification, better have some different scenarios, not that much real time, like in the sense like something new, customization or extensible or workaround type of, but basic setups or some other options they will provide. According to that, we are supposed to implement. Okay, it's not only for finance payables, or you can find receivables also. Receivables module, Fusion receivables. This is JD Edwards. This is for Oracle Financials Cloud Receivables certification. And when we go for this, you will find the sequence of the information also. What are the topics you are supposed to go through it here in this first chapter, you can find that information. And when we go for global HR, Oracle HCM, that's time and labor, HR Explorer, and we can find Fusion HR, core HR implement. For every module, there will be a certification. Okay, there will be a certification for every module. So let's click on that and go through what topics they'll be expecting, and you can go ahead with a registration end of this year. Okay, thank you.